Imagine this. It's a busy weeknight, the kids are starving, and you're craving something crispy, delicious, and healthy. The oven's too slow, and deep frying feels like a guilty indulgence. What if you could whip up golden French fries, juicy roasted chicken, or even dehydrated fruit snacks in minutes, without the mess or excess oil? Enter the Ninja Air Fryer AF101, a compact 4-quart powerhouse that's about to revolutionize your kitchen. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or someone who just loves great-tasting meals, this air fryer is your ticket to quick, crispy, guilt-free dishes. Why the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 stands out. The Ninja Air Fryer isn't just another kitchen appliance, it's a game changer. Its sleek gray design fits snugly on any countertop, but don't let its compact size fool you. This 4-quart wonder packs a punch with cutting-edge technology and thoughtful features. Here's why it's a must-have. 4-in-1 versatility. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, all in one machine. From crispy fries to tender roasts and even homemade fruit chips, it does it all. Healthier cooking. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. That's right, golden fries and wings without the guilt. Family-sized capacity. The 4-quart ceramic-coated basket holds up to 2 pounds of fries, perfect for feeding a hungry crew or meal prepping for the week. Wide temperature range, 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently dehydrate snacks or crank up the heat for crispy, restaurant-quality results. Smart processor magic automatically adjusts fan speeds based on your cooking mode, ensuring even heat circulation for perfect golden finishes every time. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Just wipe down the exterior and you're done. Solving real kitchen problems. Let's face it, cooking can be a hassle. Ovens take forever to preheat, deep fryers leave a greasy mess, and finding healthy meal options that don't sacrifice flavor is a constant struggle. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 tackles these pain points head-on. It heats up in seconds, cooks food up to 50% faster than a traditional oven, and uses little to no oil for that crispy texture we all crave. Whether you're juggling a tight schedule or trying to cut back on calories, this air fryer makes mealtime effortless and enjoyable. Picture this. You're hosting a game night and everyone's craving wings. With the Ninja Air Fryer, you can serve up a batch of crispy, juicy wings in under 20 minutes. No oil splatters or lingering fried food smell. Or maybe you're sneaking in healthier snacks for the kids. Dehydrated apple chips are a hit, and they're fun to make. This air fryer adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Who's this air fryer for? The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is perfect for busy families, quick meals that don't skimp on flavor for parents on the go. Health enthusiasts, low-fat cooking that still delivers crispy, satisfying results. Small space dwellers, its compact design fits dorms, apartments, or cozy kitchens. Foodies, experiment with roasting, baking, or dehydrating for endless recipe ideas. No matter your cooking skill level, this air fryer is intuitive and forgiving. New to air frying. The included recipe booklet has you covered. Seasoned chef. The wide temperature range and versatile functions let you get creative. A peek at the numbers. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 isn't just about hype, it's backed by performance. Its 4-quart capacity handles enough food for 4 to 6 people, depending on the dish. The 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range gives you precision control, whether you're dehydrating herbs or searing a steak. Plus, it's tested to outperform traditional frying methods, delivering fries with the same crunch, but a fraction of the oil. That's not just a win for your taste buds, it's a win for your waistline. Why it's trending. This air fryer is blowing up on social media, and it's no surprise why. People are sharing drool-worthy recipes and time-saving hacks, from air-fried mozzarella sticks to dehydrated mango slices. It's a favorite among meal preppers, fitness buffs, and anyone who wants restaurant-quality food at home. With hashtags like Sunji Healthy Cooking, Sunjiboch Air Fryer Recipes, Sunchwachach Quick Meals, Hachin Sunch Ranch Ninja Air Fryer, and such hunt kitchen hacks. Trending on Facebook, the Ninja AF101 is riding the wave of the air fryer craze. Join the conversation and see what all the fuss is about. Any downsides? No product is perfect, so let's keep it real. The 4-quart size is great for small to medium families, but if you're cooking for a large crowd regularly, you might want a bigger model. Some users note the fan can be a bit noisy on high settings, but it's a small trade-off for the speed and results. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.